Fairdale faces dropping temperatures, prompting a focus on staying warm. Louisville HVAC Pros announces changes to furnace services for faster, better service. Essential for winter comfort, a well-functioning furnace prevents issues like uneven heating, high bills, and safety risks. Updated services focus on high-quality heating care following increased demand in the area. The process of installing a new furnace is now faster and more efficient. Maintenance plays a crucial role in preventing breakdowns and peak condition maintenance. Annual tune-ups, priority scheduling, and discounted repairs are featured in updated plans. Energy-efficient options are highlighted. High-efficiency furnaces and smart thermostats promise reduced bills alongside warmth. Positive reviews from residents showcase satisfaction with the company's professionalism and efficient service. Kentucky residents looking for a warm home all winter can benefit from Louisville HVAC Pros furnace updates, aiming for better, faster heating service. Visit us at louisvillehvacpros.com for more information.